If you run a bookkeeping practice, you're managing a book of clients, a wall of deadlines, and the cash flow of your own business, all at once. This is the Bookkeeper Practice Manager from NicheToolkits, a complete practice management system that runs entirely in your web browser. No login, no subscription, and your client's data never leaves your computer. You open to the practice dashboard, the cockpit, 5 active clients, 3,500 in monthly recurring revenue, your on-time close rate, and the overdue items that need you the moment the file opens. This week lists what's due, from a client invoice to a 1099 deadline to a payroll run. And Need Your Attention surfaces the overdue invoices and the clients you haven't spoken to in too long. Below that, Revenue by Client shows where your money actually comes from. And the Tier Mix donut shows how your basic, standard, and premium clients balance out, so you can see your practice, not just your inbox. The workflow board is your monthly close as a Kanban. Every client moves across the columns, from data collection, to reconciling, to review, to delivered, so nothing sits half-finished while you forget which client you were on. The client roster holds every engagement. The service tier, the fee, the contact, and the cadence, all in one place. This is the heart of the practice, and it feeds every other screen in the tool. The deadline tracker is the one that keeps you out of trouble. Quarterly filings, payroll dates, 1099 and W-2 deadlines, all laid out so a tax date never sneaks up on you or your client again. Accounts receivable tracks what your clients owe you and how long it's been outstanding, because the one set of books a bookkeeper tends to neglect is their own. This makes sure you actually get paid. The KPI view turns your practice into numbers you can manage. Revenue per client, realization, on-time delivery, and growth, so you can make decisions about pricing and hiring with evidence instead of a gut feeling. And the Capacity Planner answers the question every growing practice faces. Can I take on another client, or am I about to drown? It maps your committed hours against your real capacity before you say yes. That's the Bookkeeper Practice Manager. $47, one time, yours forever. One file you double-click to open, with your whole practice inside it.